All right, everyone. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you a few uh, model homes from new construction builders that are building a bunch of homes here in Cape Coral. The, the house that you can see behind me is a brand new construction. Okay, the price has just been reduced to 389,900. So I'm going to show you inside what you can get for 389,900 here in the southwest of Cape Coral. Okay, it has 3 bedrooms plus a den, 2 full bathrooms. Okay, 2 car garage door, and it's a beautiful home on a quarter-acre lot, 0.23 to be exact. So let's just go inside so we can look around and see what you can get for $389,900. Okay, so inside the house, one of the first things I see as soon as I come into the house is the beautiful ceramic tile. Okay, it seems that it's at the moment all over the house. Right, you have here, I'm guessing 2 bedrooms, and your washer and dryer will definitely come back to it so you can see that. Okay, you have an open concept kitchen and living room with a dining room area. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so it's kind of beautiful. It seems like it's probably like 12 feet ceilings, right? So you feel like there's a lot of room in the house. There's a lot of light coming in through this window. You get the sliding door and another window back there. So you do have light, a lot of a lot of natural light coming in. You have your fan in the living room. Nice, beautiful home. Okay, you have your granite countertops. Okay, you have an island with your dark faucets. Okay, you know the countertops are granite. Okay, granite countertops. You got your aristocrat, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, a cabinet with a crown molding. Okay, and with a soft close. So that means that you could do this, and it won't sound, it won't go crazy, right? So if you're like me and you like to host, like to have events, right? This will be the open concept. It's really nice, and it's really made for those hosting events. You have your dining room area here. Here you will put your dining room table or an eating kitchen, depending what is it that you guys want to do with the house. But like I said, you have this beautiful open concept that you could be at the house, you can be hosting. You got your beautiful granite countertop, and from here you can have a conversation with your guests, right? You can have your living room, your seatings over there, your dining room, and you can always open that door and screen the lanai. New appliances, Whirlpool, refrigerator as well, right? Whirlpool, your electric stove, and over here you have your where you can store your food. You can definitely put a lot of chips over here, a lot of bags and stuff like that. So it's a nice open space. Right? It's beautiful, right? It's like I said, open. You have a lot of sunlight coming in. As I am standing here at the moment, I don't have the lights in the living room, nor the lights in the kitchen or the hallway, and yet there's a lot of light coming in. So let's go down this hallway. Let's see what we have over here. And coming over here, you have your bathroom, as you can see over there, with a tile all the way to the ceiling. Hopefully, you guys be able to see that, right? Granite countertops, counters. I'm sorry. Here we go into one of the bedrooms. Okay, now the bedrooms do have carpets. Okay, I did speak to the builder, and he says that if you're not a fan of the carpets, they can always put the tile. Okay, you have your window, right? So you can see outside. You have the light coming in, and something that I haven't mentioned is all the windows and the doors here are hurricane uh, proof, meaning windows. Okay, the room is a decent size. You can put a full size bed, even a queen size bed, right? You have plenty of storage right here. You can definitely put some stuff in there. And coming over here, we have another bedroom. Okay, again, carpet. You have your hurricane impact windows looking in front of the house, and again, you have your closet space. Like I said, pretty decent size closet. You can definitely put a lot of things in there. So now let me just keep walking around. So over here you have 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, right? You have your kitchen over here, you open concept, right? Coming in. Here's where the entrance of the house is, where I came in, right? And that's another hallway over here. And let's go into this room over here. Right here, you have another room, which this will be considered a flex room, okay? Because it doesn't have a closet. So this could be an office space, a game room, whatever you want to do. Even it can be a bedroom. You just got to buy one of those closets that you can build yourself, right? Hurricane impact windows. Again, all 3 rooms are decent size, okay? And here, there's no carpet. Okay, so this is tile, again, the ceramic tile that we have. We have the master bedroom with 2 windows in the back, definitely a lot of natural light, right? You have your fan coming up, I'm sorry, up, right? Hurricane impact windows, a view of the yard, of the backyard. And this way, I can only guess is the bathroom. All right, so here we have our bathroom, right? You have your, hey, how you doing? We have your granite countertops, right? Your bathroom with tile all the way to the floor, door, right? Nice and easy to open. And here's where you have your walk-in closet. Okay, you have your walk-in closet over here, pretty decent size for the size of the house. Right, I believe the square footage on this house is 1,680. But this is the house, right? You have your master bedroom, so you do have 3 bedrooms, right? 2 of those bedrooms have carpet, but again, I spoke to the builder, and we can always negotiate and put tile in those rooms if you do like that. Now let's just go to the back, and here is your lanai. Okay, it's a pretty size lanai, right? It's not a big lanai, but you screen it. That's what I did in my house. You put your chairs, you can put whatever stuff over here, and you can just relax, right? Just you want to keep the bugs and mosquitoes in the summer out. So that's very good right there. And over here, of course, you have your big backyard, right? Look at this. It's a beautiful house. So this house, like I said, has a price reduction. It's $389,900. I'm gonna put a floor plan so you guys see it. And now we're gonna go to the next home. All right, everyone. So if you're thinking about moving within 9 days or 9 months, and you're thinking about buying a new construction, or you want an expert that can guide you in the areas here in the Southwest Florida, especially in the Cape Coral, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to speak to you. So we can set up a 30-minute consultation free of charge. We can go over your goals and see what is it that you want to do. Okay, I'm looking forward and seeing you around.